Okay, so looks-wise, they're all very adorable. I don't really have anything to say about that. They're all like very cute, so I mean, it's not to each their preference, right? But I love them all. Complexity wise, the bonsai tree was, I mean, the easiest because all you had to do is just like put in the pieces. That was it. So it wasn't as creative. This one as well, there was no creativity to it, the cacti arrangement. But I guess I like the fact that there's more elements to it. But other than that, I mean, there was not much to it. And I think my top two spots for everything are the vases. I think I really, really like the vases because just look at that. You can arrange the flowers a bit differently. You can decide where to put the butterfly. There's an assembly to it where like it depends how much attention to detail there is, and like, do you get rid of the bubbles? Did you tilt it too much and stuff like that? So like they might be more complicated to make, but I think they're prettier, and this one smells so good. So I think this is my top one. Sorry about that. Top one. And 2 and 3, and I feel bad for the bonsai tree, so I'll just hold it up close. But yeah, I get why this is a rare. Like, yes, it has a lot to recommend it. So yeah, this one.